Well, hello, it's about time.
The kitchen family room. Although it's about 75% of the size of a football field, literally, it's weirdly intimate at the same time.
The way Heather designed the family kitchen area is, although it's so big and spacious, it's still so intimate.
My absolute favorite room in any house is a kitchen family room. Look, let's face it, the kitchen is where we gather. It's where we eat, it's where we celebrate, and having your family room attached just makes the celebration continue on and on. Homework, board games, well, homework isn't really celebration, let's be honest with that, but board games, desserts, after dinner drinks, I just love this whole combination. There's the family room, and there's the kitchen, and here is me, just to give you a little spatial relation. So here's our family room. Now, as you may notice, there's not a ton of color in here, but there's a lot of tone on tone and texture. I love different textures to really build up a space. You can see we did a shag rug in here. We've got a wood table. There's stone elements. There's leather. There's feathers. Oh, and here's like a little fun detail. This fabric curtain, absolutely loved it. Did a blackout lining from the back and then realized they were too short. Oopsies! As I said, everything in this house, you bring it in here and you realize I need something even larger, but I couldn't find anything. So Jessica and I got very creative and decided to add a piece of decorative tape and an extra length of fabric so they actually touched the floor. And honestly, I love the effect. I think it's amazing. This stone on this wall, if you can believe it, is actually the same stone that's on the floor. So this is polished limestone, and this is honed limestone that was cut into different pieces and put in this pattern. And it's incredible how different it looks just being honed and chopped. Cozy fireplace, and of course, the largest sofa maybe on the entire planet, because Terry said he wanted an enormous sofa. So you know what I gave him? An enormous sofa. But all right, I'm 5'8", right? It's a big sofa.
My favorite thing about the kitchen family room has to be like the couch, because it's so comfortable. It's like heaven on a couch.
It's the world's largest couch.
We'll usually go to the couch to open gifts, and it's just like, that's always where we take photos, so most people know that.
It's more sort of like a bed. I mean, it's so big that you feel miniaturized in it. But at the same time, it's like this sort of snuggly Saturday morning feeling when you get up and you realize, I don't have to go to school. It's sort of the greatest feeling ever.
Fun accessories, Kelly Wearstler sculpture, sofa back table, and mirrors. You'll notice that in the house, I use mirror a lot. First of all, it can open up spaces. If there's a lot of stone or a lot of textures going on and you don't want to add art on top of it, mirrors are a great way to add a little sparkle. For me, what I like to do is go to the store where they have all the moldings, the frames, and choose them and just have them made to the exact dimensions that I want. And I loved beveled mirror because I feel like it gives you a little sparkle. The kitchen is basically the heart of any home, and I love my kitchen. Okay, I know you guys know I don't really cook. Well, I cook sometimes. I cook two things really well. I've got this cool salami dish, and I make latkes at Hanukkah, and then I'm about out. But I love kitchens, I love kitchen equipment, I love food, I love eating, and I love my family, and I love when they eat and we eat together. So the kitchen is very important. I designed this table to comfortably seat 8 with these existing chairs, but I can actually pull these chairs out and put in Charivari chairs or some kind of smaller profile chairs and get 10, 11 around this table, which I love because, you know, it's fun to have extra people over for dinner. I did a black granite top that I designed with the riglet detail that you've seen throughout the house. This fabric is faux leather that's pressed with a crocodile print, and it looks very luxurious. It's very comfortable to sit in, and it wipes off so nicely. So as you can see behind me, this is my ode to Kelly Wearstler. I love these floating shelves that are made out of metal. They're really modern looking, and they're lit underneath them to highlight all the different elements. It was hard to figure out what to put on these shelves at first. We played around with a lot of different things, but I love Kelly's accessories, and I thought this would be a cool place to display them. And you'll notice that there are actually pictures in the frames, which is amazing because after 2 years, those are the only frames that actually have pictures in them. Yay for me! I did those. A lot of you know I am hyper organized and I like things to be neat and clean and put away. And one of my pet peeves, especially with the kids and the electronics, is wires. Joan Crawford didn't like wire hangers. I don't like wire cords. Drives me crazy. They always had things plugged in and cords everywhere. So what I did was I created an area that everyone can charge their different pieces. For phones, for iPads, for computers. There's USB ports in the wall. There's cords everywhere. There's accessories. Oh, and of course, there's the douchebag jar. Because if you're a douchebag, you got to put money in the jar. Do you want to guess who in the house has put the most money in the jar? I'll let that one sit. And then in all of these drawers, there's different things. There's office supplies. There's homework supplies. For the adults, there's wine and champagne supplies and entertaining supplies. In case you need, you know, an emergency mini fork or some pretty straws or a pineapple swizzle stick. You never know. Full-size refrigerator and freezer. And as you can see, everything is organized in glass. Everything is etched with the name of the contents. I love a beautiful refrigerator. So this is the pretty refrigerator. This was the pretty refrigerator. I promise you there's a very, very messy refrigerator. I'm going to show it to you in a minute. So in our kitchen, we have 2 islands. I call this one the eating island, and I call that one the cooking island. Because basically, we cook there and we eat here, not brain surgery. I love this island for many reasons. First of all, this marble is stunning. I just adore the pattern. I love all the colors. We have 8 stools here. So much fun to sit here and eat, play games, hang out. But I think this feature in the center is one of the best things I put in the house. So what it actually is underneath this metal grate is a trough. It's like a sink. This is about 12 inches wide and 6 feet long and about 13 inches deep. And there's a drain in the middle of this trough. So what we do is we fill it with ice. And there are lights in there, and we turn them on, and we light up the ice, and we put champagne, caviar, shellfish, crudité. It's so much fun. And you can hang out all around this island and get your drinks and food, and it's such an incredibly fun thing to do when you're entertaining. And then when we're not using it, sometimes I cover it, and we do major centerpieces here. We decorate for the holidays here. It's just a super fun space.
My mom has a tradition for everyone's birthday. We always decorate the center table with like confetti and balloons, and we have these 4 chairs, and we always put banners and balloons on them, and it's really fun to decorate.
it's not just fun to sit here. This island is actually practical. There's a lot of storage underneath here for all of my entertaining wear, and in this island as well. So lots of storage. And of course, we have a big double oven here with the range, pot filler, and this ginormous hood. So when I was designing the hood, I drew it out on a piece of paper, and my guys started fabricating it, and they were like, well, what are these things? And then, I had to go over again the Valentino stud idea. So they found someone to make them for me, and I said, I want them a third of the way down. And they go, surely you don't mean that. You want them halfway. So it's all even. You like balance. I'm like, I like balance, but I want them 1/3 of the way down. And so we went over it and over and over it. And sometimes when you're designing, especially me, I'm not a professional designer. I just like what I like. And you second guess yourself. Let me tell you something. Don't second guess yourself. It's your house. If you like something, do it. 1/3 of the way down. Looks good, right? The backsplash is a metallic painted tile. And I loved that it looked kind of antique. But what's been interesting is certain tiles have gotten a different patina. Some are getting darker, some are changing. And I wasn't sure if I liked it or not. And I thought it would totally bug Terry. So he came in and I go, so have you noticed like this tile here? And he's like, I love that tile. And I went, okay, he likes the tile. Keep it, it's good. So that's basically the top fun features of my kitchen and family room. I hope that you all get to come over sometime and have a little entertaining moment with me. I think you'll fit, maybe. I don't know. Come on, let's keep going.
My favorite memory about the kitchen family room is basically all of it. That's the room where I'm going to remember for the rest of my life, where our family basically grew up. We had our meals there. We did Taekwondo there. We had dance recitals there. We opened up all of our presents. And to me, the kitchen family room is really the nucleus of our home.
As you know, our mom is obsessed with coasters. Like,
They are everywhere.
even in our rooms. We don't even have drinks in our room.
They're in the kitchen, they're in the guest room, they're in our room, they're in Max's room, they're in Kat's room, they're in
Nikki's room?
Nikki's room, they're in the gym.
Coco's room?
They're in the
They
gym.
are in the gym. Who has coasters in the
What?
gym? And the winners are... Katie K! Wow, Heather, those lights are absolutely magnificent. You inspire me to work hard so I can have an incredible home like you and your family. Hashtag coaster contest. Heart emoji. Congrats, Katie K!
And the next one, AW. The hanging lights are amazing. Such attention to detail. I love it. Onion rings could have been hung instead of 11-pound crystals and saved you the heavy equipment being parked in your house for weeks. Congrats, AW!
And the final one is
Kim
T.
T.
Durr. She said, hey Heather, love the lightning. It's so dreamy. Thanks so much for sharing. Hashtag coaster contest and a bunch of cute emojis. We love some emojis.
Congrats!
Congrats! Congrats to all of our
Kim T.
celebrations.
Durr! Woo!
I don't want you to miss any room in the house, so make sure you become a subscriber right now.